all the fish and more.
Right, we are back in Port St. John's and we are joined there by Colm and Chad. I was treated to a hell of a day's fishing with these characters. So let's get down to the beach where we are going to learn everything about fighting and landing and releasing BIG Garrick in Port St. John's. Luckily, Chad got another one. What's going on here?
I'm getting smoked back.
It's a big fish.
Yeah. It's been going for like 5-10 minutes.
Lordy.
The key is to never get too excited.
BIG Garrick, eh?
Yeah, it's a bus.
The bus. Nice work.
Thank you.
Chad getting dragged down to the beach. Yes, eh? Fish is right down there somewhere, probably about 300 meters. And that's another major tip right there. You best have so much line on your reel if you want to tackle these 20 kilo plus fish. It's not uncommon for him to take the whole damn lot off. You need 300 meters at least. Much more is even better. So nice if you have a lighter backing and your top line can be strong. Yeah, okay, well, we lost that fish, but following Chad's advice, don't panic, just calm down. He ran back to the tent, he put some more better braid on top, took the other braid off. That braid parted at the leader, unfortunately, and he loaded up again, and it wasn't even a few more casts, and he is back in the game.
Bus again?
This time everything's holding up.
Yeah, smaller fish.
Green line, smaller fish. Right, next tip. You'll see how with Chad, there's always going to be somebody in your way. So it's great to stand your ground. Try to clear all these lines. Try and control that fish and bring it with you. But invariably it's going to take that current, that straight train current, and it's going to go north, especially at that place where the tide was going out. So luckily these gentlemen on the left here got out the way and let us get through. Shot, guys.
That's the backing again, back.
All the way back down. And head for that sandbank. Try and hit him off. Finally getting some line back, maybe. Now when that fish starts to back off a bit, you best take full advantage and pull and pull and pull, and don't let up until you get that fish close again, because he's going to run one or two more times. Going back this side. Nice angle you got there. So keeping the angle as 90 degrees as possible is your best bet. Obviously it's going to swing out this way and that way, but you've got to try and get in front of him and then drag him back perpendicular to the beach. Yeah, these fish never ever come in after their first run. They always take 2 or 3 more runs, as Chad is experiencing right now. Just brace for it and work your way through it. Trying to get in line with the fish now. It's gone all the way north again. Nice work by Chad. Point. I don't need to mention this to you, but patience is everything. Don't pull, don't get panicky, don't get tired. Just stay steady, constant, and stay patient. Fish is right here somewhere. Right here. Big fish, BIG Garrick. It's a really big fish. That's the next lesson. Don't try and grab the Garrick, especially a big one, by the tail with your phone in your hand. It doesn't work. So I had to give the phone to the kid on the beach and then grab the Garrick for Chad. So we didn't get the the footage of the fish actually getting caught. But yo, what an experience. Chad, legend, well freaking done. Come here.
Good fix.
I got a lot of nice ones and now we're on video.
Yeah.
Let's go, chuck him back.
There's a 15 kilo fish there.
17, 18, dude.
Yeah.
Another tip. If you release the fish that size, you immediately get an extra 3 or 4 kilos, no matter what. No problem. Claim it. And this is the most important tip of all. It's the death stare. The death stare that you give at the jiggers. Check out Chad is death staring those jiggers down to size.
There you go.
Yeah, that's the cool little kid who came and helped us in the end. He is never gonna forget that afternoon ever in his life. His eyes were so big when he saw us do that. And finally, I have to dedicate this video to the memory of my dear friend John Costello, Colin's father. He passed away recently, and man, oh man, did he leave a huge, big hole in all of our hearts. John,
Unreleased one.
miss you,
Yeah,
man.
John, not too